Greetings YouTube, this is Sybil Silver Phoenix, and in this video I would like to discuss a simple, well, I shouldn't say simple, but a fundamental truth that I have noticed to all reality and existence from my point of view. And you can agree or disagree with me on this. I'm curious to see what other people's views on this is, but in my experience, in my short time of my 26 years on this planet as of this video, I have noticed that there's what appears to be 3 realms. Now, when I say realms, I'm not talking about like kingdoms or places with borders. I'm talking about just three language is so limited in trying to describe what these 3 things are, but there is the physical realm, which is flesh, objects, matter, material, the physical, your body. That's all physical. The elements are physical manifestations of energy on the physical realm. And I've noticed this. This is the first realm, the foundational realm, so to speak, is the basis upon which the other 2 rest. Now, I'm not saying that there's 3 separate universes. No, I'm just saying that there's, just like how things are in 3 dimensions, or I should say in 11 dimensions in our universe, there's these 3 realms, and they exist in all these dimensions. Maybe more so in some of these dimensions than in others, because gravity has to filter through all 11 of these dimensions, and that's why we can jump up and escape Earth's gravity for that split second before we're brought back down. And in this video, obviously, I'm talking about the physical realm. So, but the other 2 realms are the realm of the mind and the spirit realm. The realm of the mind is where all the astral planes, the dreamscape, and all that. And I'll describe that in another video. And the spirit realm is where the divine source is, where it's hard to explain it because it's the one that's above all the others. It's the higher realm, and I'll talk about that in another video. But yes, here I am talking about the physical realm. Like I said, matter, and interesting thing about matter, when you get down to the basic building blocks, the atoms. The atoms basically are this little bitty pinpoint of a particle, which is at the center, the nucleus, and it's surrounded by electrons, which are like vibrating waves around this little point. The size of the particle was the size of a basketball. Then the electrons would be 2 miles away. So you can imagine this little teeny tiny particle of the nucleus, and then there's this big cloud of electrons, which is just energy surrounding this little tiny piece of matter. It's a lot of energy surrounding just a little speck of matter. Pretty interesting. So on the quantum level, on the basic building blocks of all matter, we're all energy. We're all made of energy. We are energy solidified into this form, and yet we still change. We turn from an egg cell and a sperm cell, which get together, divide, and get bigger and make people. Make a cat. Oh, my cats are in here somewhere. A dog. Dogs are outside. A bird. Whatever, you know. It makes life. and life changes. So we're all just energy. I find that quite fascinating. That's quite fascinating. Very interesting. We're all just solidified energy. And we're not so solidified that we're in static stasis. We are ever changing, ever in motion, moving, and whatnot. Even the earth itself is moving, it's changing. It takes a while for those faults to slip and buckle and break and tear apart, but it happens. You know, it's hell, by the time I die, Europe will be 6 feet further away from North America than it was at the time of my birth. So the earth is in constant motion, it's in constant change. The moon is slipping away from us. Everything is in flux. Nothing is permanently static. Even a rock. Take the rock and put it under pressure and heat, and it's going to flow like molasses, yes, but it will flow. And the physical realm is the tangible. I mean, this pen is tangible. I can pick it up, I can manipulate it with my hand, I can draw on this piece of paper, I can make a line. Look at that, wow, a line. It's quite interesting. And it's hard to describe some of this stuff, but the physical realm, and the best way to study and know the physical realm is through science. Science is about studying the physical realm. That's all science is. It can give us a window into the realm of the mind, but as far as the spiritual realm, it can't get to that. Science, that's something that, hey, I had to figure it out for myself. You will have to figure it out for yourself. And the answers are in here and in here. Just look, seek, and ye shall find. So let us all seek and search for the truth. And that truth is written in every stone, in every crystal, in every life, every plant, in the earth itself, in the universe, and the stars above. Let's look for that truth. Look for it. See what you can find. What answers will you discover written in the heavens above and the earth beneath your feet, within the universe within as well as the universe beyond. So I hope this video has been insightful, and that you have gained some knowledge or some insight, and I hope you go forth and ask questions, not just of yourself, but of the world around you, and that maybe you'll catch a glimpse of that cosmic truth, that it's hard to describe, but that essence that is in everything. I call it the divine. Others call it the divine. What you call it is up to you. So, good luck in your journey, and until our paths cross again, this is Sybil, and I'm out of here. So, blessed be.